Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create professional songs, covers, and remixes using Singify, an AI-powered music generator that makes the entire music creation process simple and fun. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll learn step by step how to turn your ideas into full tracks, generate music from lyrics, clone voices, and even isolate stems from your favorite songs. So let's get started and explore everything Singify has to offer. The link to Singify is in the description below. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to a clean and user-friendly dashboard full of creative tools. On the homepage, you'll see trending AI-generated songs, background tracks, and cover songs. You'll also find tools to unlock your creativity using Singify's powerful features. Now, let's take a look at the main navigation. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll find the navigation panel. Here you'll see the Explore tab, AI Creator Tools, and your library. Inside AI Creator Tools, you'll find features like AI Song Generator, AI Cover Generator, AI Stem Splitter, AI Voice Cloning, and more. Let's begin with the AI Song Generator. This feature includes three powerful tools: Prompt to Song, Lyrics to Song, and the Instrumenter tool. We'll start with Prompt to Song. This tool is very simple to use. Just type in your creative prompt, click the Generate button, and Singify will start crafting a custom song based on your input. Once your track is generated, you can edit the lyrics directly, tweak the lines, rewrite them, or even remove entire sections. On the right-hand side, you'll see customization options. You can choose your music model. For this session, I'll use Volume 1. Then select your music style. Options include pop, hip-hop, rock, romantic, and more. You can also add reference audio by pasting a link or uploading a file in the title section to guide the AI. After finalizing your settings, click Generate again. In a few seconds, your new song will be ready. Click Play to listen.
Beneath the velvet night, your eyes ignite the stars, a symphony of hearts. We're humming in the dark. The world slows to a pause, a breath before the leap. Two souls adrift in time, where secrets softly keep. Oh, let the cosmos sway in this electric haze. A kiss to paint the dawn, a spell we can erase.
If you're not fully satisfied, just regenerate the song or make more edits. Want to try a different genre? Just enter a new prompt or update your settings, then click Generate again.
The clock ticks slow on this empty night. Your shadow's gone, but the ache stays tight. I've traced the lines.
Now let's explore the Lyrics to Song feature. This is ideal if you already have lyrics and just need music. Paste your lyrics into the box. Choose your music model. I'll go with Volume 2 this time for a more polished sound. Select your preferred style. I'll pick rock. Give your song a title. I'll name this one My Song. Click Generate. In moments, Singify transforms your lyrics into a fully produced track. Let's listen to what it created.
The twilight hums a whispered tune. Your eyes ignite the silver moon. A breath away, the world stands still. Our hearts collide, a spark to fill. Oh,
Now let's check out the AI Cover Generator. This feature lets you create high-quality covers using AI-generated vocals. Click on AI Cover Generator. Then click Switch Singer to select a voice. You can choose from male, female, or artist-style voices. Paste a YouTube link or upload the audio file of the song you want to cover. Singify will process it and generate an AI cover using your selected voice.
You know you love me, I know you care. Just shout whenever, and I'll be there. You want my love, you want my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart.
You even get a side-by-side comparison with the original track. It's perfect for reimagining songs in new styles or creating custom covers for your content. Next is the AI Stem Splitter. This tool lets you isolate parts of a song like vocals, drums, bass, or piano. Click AI Stem Splitter, paste a YouTube link, or upload your audio file. Choose the specific element you want to extract. Singify will separate the stems in seconds. It's ideal for remixing, sampling, or karaoke. Now let's talk about AI voice cloning, one of Singify's most exciting features. Click on AI voice cloning, then create a singer. Paste the YouTube video link of your favorite artist. I'll use a Justin Bieber video as an example. Once the video is processed, you'll see a list of songs. Choose one to train the voice model. Then upload an image for your custom singer, give it a name, and click Train Now. Singify will train the voice model based on your input. Once complete, you can start generating songs using that custom AI voice. It sounds incredibly realistic, and it all takes just a few steps. With Singify, you can create original songs, unique covers, isolate instrumentals, and even clone voices. All powered by cutting-edge AI. If you're a songwriter, music fan, or just love experimenting with sound, Singify makes it fun, fast, and simple. Check the link in the description to try it for yourself. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another AI tool or tutorial. Thanks for watching.